Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today, me and Alex out here walking. Now this wasn't planned, but here we are. That's where we're at. We got the road behind us. We've been walking up in a little ways, but there's that corner behind us, and then there's a downhill and straightaway. Well, on that straightaway, our 6.0 broke down. So, yeah, our 07, is it an 07? Oh yeah, it's an 07 6.0 Powerstroke broke down. So, a little typical. Now, we were talking good about it the whole way up here. We're on our way to the farm.
Yeah, we were.
At least we weren't towing trailer or nothing. But hey, if we were with the 4-wheelers on it, we just right up there. Be able to pull the 4-wheelers off right up there. Maybe should have taken my advice and brought them. But I didn't think about that. I didn't think it'd break down. But yeah, it broke down. And so now we're walking a little ways. We got like a mile or two left until we get back to the farm. Then we're gonna go rescue the 6.0. So that's today's video, is rescuing the 6.0. We were gonna put up a deer blind because we had a windstorm, really bad one, the other day, and blew over a couple of our blinds. So we were gonna put up some deer blinds today, just get ready for hunting season 2 weeks from now. But instead we're rescuing our 6.0 Powerstroke today. That's the plan. We got to go back and get the Dodge at the farm. We are a little ways away, but it'll be fine. We're just gonna cut through, well, never mind, maybe I'm not gonna say that on here, but I mean, I guess we're gonna cut through our fields. Yeah, we're gonna cut through our fields and take a shortcut back up to the farm, and then we're gonna go grab our 6.7 dually Cummins. So we're gonna get our Dodge to go save our 6.0 Powerstroke. Yep, as we were talking good about it too, all the way up here, because Alex has never ridden in it. We were talking about.
Yeah, this sounds pretty good, guys.
It does sound really good. 5-inch full MBRP straight pipe.
Yeah, it's only the computer what went out. That'll be an easy fix.
Yeah, the computer went out, and yeah, literally, we turned onto the gravel. We started going down the hill there at the beginning, and then I noticed the radio shut off, and I was like, uh-oh, and we were just talking, and all of a sudden I looked down, and her dad looks down and notices that the truck is off. We're like, uh-oh. And he starts it back up and keeps going, and goes up this one hill, then kept going, then it died again, then it kept dying, then he barely just limped it up to this one flat spot. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go rescue the 6.0. Catch you guys once we get to the farm. It's gonna be a little bit. So, and then we're gonna go tow the 6.0 back with the 6.7 Cummins dually. So that's the plan today. Hope that truck's got gas, or hope it's got diesel in it. So
yeah.
All right, catch you guys at that.
From the house right up to the school. Flooded out. I get Wi-Fi.
I mean, you can upload the mobile data. Alrighty, guys. Hang on. There's the 6.7 Cummins over there that we're gonna be rescuing the 6.0 with. So, catch you guys at that.
So I think it's an easy fix. I just gotta get one coming. Grandpa didn't say anything, but he's gonna go, oh, Dodge had to go rescue Ford.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it in 4-wheel drive high, just to be in 4-wheel drive there, so we don't do any slipping.
Alright guys, 6.0 behind us. Me and Alex ready to tow this sucker home, so we're about to rescue the 6.0. You guys remember this part of the farm when we rode the Forza out here and looked at this house for a minute? Yep, so it's just right down that road a little ways that we got that thing broke down back there. downhill coming up, so I gotta be careful. Yeah, we're not very far from the house now. He's also, my dad back there is recording for me as well, so you guys will see that clip in a minute. Alright guys, on the, he's telling me to slow down a little bit. We were on this little straightaway here, but he lost the power steering and brakes. It did start up. Gotta wait for the chains to tension back up. There we go. Alright. Well, he told me to slow down, but every time I slow down, the chains just kind of get you to a little jerky, yeah. Like that. Alright. Catch you guys once we're back at the house. The house is right up here. Well, now his truck's able to start up. I'm not too sure why it's wanting to start now, but we're just gonna see how long it'll stay running for. Maybe it won't die right away. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and unhook the chains now, and now we got the 6.0 successfully secured here at the house, and all from the help of the little 6.7 Cummins. I wish we still had our 5.9 5-speed single. It was a second gen single cab short bed, or no, long bed. I mean, that was over there. Dually 5.9 with 5-speed. That's what I learned to drive manual on. Wish it was still out here. That would have been fun to drive back with this thing on it, towing it. So. Yep. So that's it.
No, no, I wouldn't do it.
All right, guys, we found this.
It's loose. The whole thing's loose. That's probably my problem.
There's a couple of things that could have been the problem, guys. So there's some water on here on the battery. Dad was working under the hood in this thing a couple days ago, and we got a big rain, and he had left his hood up, not completely latched, so some water could have gotten into here. Then here's his computer right here. He thinks water might have gotten into the plugs, but then see how there's water right there and stuff. But then I'd realized, just sitting right here, just sitting right there, this wire here, I was like, I wonder where this goes to. And then we kind of realized this could be the problem. The water could be the problem, which we just popped off those plugs, and it looks pretty clean there and dry. It's not the problem. And then now this is loose. We've just, or whatever. What is this? A fly, I mean. But yeah, everything's a little loose right there. So I guess we're gonna need to tighten that down and get that fixed. So yeah, I guess that's the problem. But either way, this was probably bouncing around, touching it, shortened stuff out. So yeah, that's probably one of the issues. But it's sitting back here at the farm today, right now. So thanks to the Dodge and walking back, God gave us the ability to walk and legs. We were able to walk back and grab the Dodge and go rescue this thing. So now it's sitting here, and well, I guess we can I guess I'll record 2 videos while I'm here. I'm gonna record a video if we ever get to working on anything today. But yeah, I know this is gonna be one video, rescuing the 6.0. So hope you guys enjoyed. And without, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Alrighty guys, currently driving the 6.7 here, just following the 6.0 here because we connected that wire there, and now the 6.0 is running and driving. Now I'm following them around this loop here, just to make sure that it's driving fine. So that's what we're doing. And man, I just love this truck. It is so much fun to drive. Yeah, so far the 6.0 seems to be running all right, so we might be able to take it home later, get some work done with it today. Yeah guys, it's gonna be fun.
I ended up getting a diesel. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'd have so much fun if I owned this truck.
Yeah.
I wish it was straight pipe though.
Oh yeah.
That'd be fun. It's got some power.